Hello, students. I'd like to welcome you to class again today, and I want to share with you an extra lesson that is associated with your writing lesson. And I want to talk to you about common nouns and proper nouns. And you remember that a noun describes a person, place, thing, or idea. And so we have common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are used to name general groups, people, places, things, and ideas. A proper noun is used to name specific people, places, and things. The proper noun must begin with a capital letter. And so let's look at the examples below. The common noun is lady. But when we name the name of the lady, it becomes a proper noun, and the first letter must be capitalized. The same with month is the common noun. It's not necessary to capitalize the first letter. But when we say January, the first letter must be capitalized because January is the name of a month. It's a proper noun. Day and Monday. Monday is a proper noun. Day is a common noun. Country is a common noun, but Japan, the name of the country, is a proper noun. So the J must be capitalized. That's how we say it, capitalize. Begin with a capital letter or must be capitalized is the verb. And ocean is a common noun, but Pacific Ocean is the proper noun. Notice both words, the first letter is capitalized. Pacific Ocean, because that is the full name of the ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. But look on the right. The students always make the mistake of the name of the province. For example, they say Siem Reap Province. They capitalize the S, they capitalize the R, but they don't capitalize the P. But all of this is a proper noun. Siem Reap Province. All three of those words go together to make a proper noun. If we were to say the province of Siem Reap, province is not capitalized. It's a common noun. Siem Reap is capitalized. But when we put them together, I live in Siem Reap Province, Takao Province, both the first letter of both words, or all three words, must be capitalized. The same with the district, when you name the district. If you say, I live in the district of Bati, then district is not capitalized because it's a common noun. But when you say, I live in Bati district, then Bati district, both words are a common noun. The same for Hun Sen High School. The name of your high school, each of the words, the first letter must be capitalized in English. The same with the name of a market. Psa Le. If it is the name of the market, Psa Tamai, Psa Totumpong, or Totumpong Market, Psa Le, it's the name. And so it's a proper, both words are a proper noun. Same with the name of a mall, Soria Mall. The S must be capitalized and the M because the two words together are the name. E-School Cambodia. The E is capitalized, S is capitalized, and C because that is the proper name of the school. The name of your village. I live in New Svai Village. And so N, S, V. That all three words are part of the name. And so they all must be capitalized, the first letter. And also with Aunt Mary. If you consider Aunt Mary, you always call her, excuse me, Aunt Mary, where are the strawberries? And so if you call her Aunt Mary, then that is like her name. And so both the A and the M. But if you say, my Aunt Mary, Aunt is not necessary to capitalize. It's a common noun. But if you always say Uncle Charles or Aunt Mary or Teacher Charles, the T must be capitalized and the Charles and the C must be capitalized because you're using those as a name. So this is just a short lesson. I hope that will help you in your writing exercise.